All right, everybody. Got a beautiful little Restomod build here today. It's a 1966 Chevrolet Nova SS. This is a true SS car. It does have the original order form and the window sticker that is going to be included with the for the new buyer as well. So really cool there. Under the hood, something else really cool. It's a 350, but it's a ZZ4 crate engine, and it's fully dressed, all polished, everything top to bottom on it, including the fuel injection 2-port injection system as well. Transmission is an automatic in this nice custom center console right here. That is a brand new 200R4 automatic overdrive transmission. So you get some nice highway cruising on that, which goes back to a 9-inch rear end that has Moser axles on it and 373 gearing. It does have air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes at all 4 corners, and that power steering does have a rack and pinion as well. A lot more going on. We'll cover that in just a second, but first, let's see what she's got. Yeah, absolutely. This one's got the go to match the show. I tell you, and it runs real nice and smooth too. So you really get that turnkey reliability of that crate engine, but with the fuel injection up top, it's just it's a kind of a thought-free powertrain. This one does have a couple miles on it, 3,264 on the odometer. So it has been kind of past its shakedown period, if you will, and it's just ready to cruise, and that's what I really like about it. Another thing that I like is this interior. It's full custom. It smells like you're going to buy line dancing boots or something like that at the country western store. Just that genuine leather smell. It's really in the air when you get in here. It smells fantastic because it is, of course, genuine doe skin. Even the headliner and dashboard pad are as well. So we're talking about what's going on underneath the car. That's tubular upper and lower control arms, adjustable coilovers up front, performance mono slip, leaf springs out back with fresh shocks as well. It's got frame connectors on it. This one's really done up nicely. Again, high-end build. They use really high-end components. I know that fresh 9-inch rear end cost them a good buck by itself. So it's got a custom molded dash panel with all the full array of odometer gauges there, and then tilt steering wheel as well. Custom radio, speakers in the kick panels. This thing's just gorgeous, no matter how you look at it. Come out, test drive it if you'd like to. You're more than welcome to contact our sales department. They'll be more than happy to help you with that. This did go through a thorough inspection as well. We just adjusted a couple things with the air conditioning and really just some minor adjustments. You can check all that out on our website, as well as the full description on volocars.com.
With GM's high standards giving you peace of mind. Are you credit challenged? No worries at all.